How are you doing? Do you live in rural Jamaica? Do you see things online that you want to purchase, but you're saying to yourself, how am I going to get this in my hand? Well, I have a solution for you. This here shipping company allows you to purchase things from overseas and then get them delivered to you here in Jamaica. And for you special folks in rural Jamaica, we send your item down through our exclusive partnership with Knoxville Express. You heard me right? Yes. When you purchase the stuff online and you ship it through our company, we're going to have it sent down to you via Knoxville Express if you are in rural Jamaica, right? You don't need to pay any money when you go to the Knoxville Express. All you need to do is present a photo ID and tell them that me send you for your package, okay? So I want you to click on the link that you see on the screen here, or if you don't see it on the screen, look in the description box. Click on that link. I want you to check us out. Go on our social media page, see all of the many packages that we have delivered, and I want you to sign up. Now, when you sign up, I'm going to give you something extra. I'm going to allow you to become a platinum member for free. That's right. And you're going to say, I don't want to be a platinum member because I'm going to charge my credit card. Well, let me tell you this now. We will not charge you to be a platinum member if you click the link right now and sign up right now, okay? It's going to be absolutely free, and once you sign up, it's going to be free for life. Yep, you heard me right. You're going to be a platinum member, free. And why? Why is it important to become a platinum member? Because as a platinum member, you get to ship 4 times per year for free. Okay? So go ahead, click on the link, join us today. Also, if you're a frontline responder, like if you're a police, or a doctor, or a nurse, or a fireman, or even a soldier, and if you are a warder, I want you to especially click on the link because we give you a 10% discount. You heard me right? And anything you ship, you get a 10% discount. So with all of the other benefits of the company, you're special. So we treat you special, all right? So go ahead, click the link, join us today. Have us ship your items and get them delivered to you here in Jamaica, all right? All of my country folks, I love them much. You see all of them here? They're coming down to you, they're coming down to you. So line up on yourself. Line up on yourself, your packages are on the way, alright? Catch you guys later. Bye!